Your JavaScript is stuck in 2018. I'm not roasting you. I'm telling you what your senior teammate sees when they review your PR. Optional chaining, structured clone, group by, abort controllers. These aren't shiny new features. They're standard. They're expected. In the next 6 minutes, I'll show you 10 modern JavaScript patterns that separate juniors from seniors. Save this video. You'll come back to it. These aren't theory. These are the patterns I write every single day at work. The ones that turn a wall of defensive code into a clean one-liner. 10 patterns. Modern JavaScript. The way seniors actually ship it. Let's go. Number 1. Optional chaining and nullish coalescing. The two operators that delete defensive null checks from your code base. Question mark dot short circuits to undefined if any link in the chain is null or undefined. Two question marks fall back to a default, but only when the value is actually null or undefined. Unlike the double pipe, it preserves 0, empty string, and false. Combine them. User dot, question dot address, dot question dot city, then two question marks, default, one line, safe, readable. Number 2, structured clone. Stop deep cloning objects with JSON.parse, JSON.stringify. That hack loses dates, loses maps, turns undefined into nothing, and crashes on circular references. Structured clone, built into Node 17 in every modern browser, handles all of it. Dates stay dates, maps stay maps. Circular graphs don't crash. Real deep cloning in one function call. Number 3, Array.at with a negative index. JavaScript never had Python's AR at -1 until now. Stop writing AR at AR.length -1 like a savage. Just write AR dot at -1. Negative indexes count from the end. Works on arrays, on strings, on every typed array. Available in Node 16.6 in every modern browser. Clean tail access, finally. Number 4, Object.groupBy and Map.groupBy. Grouping a list by a key used to be a 5-line redis. Now it's one method call. Object.groupBy takes the array and a function returning the group key and returns a plain object. Need to key by an object or a date instead of a string? Use Map.groupBy. Native in Node 21 and modern browsers. Polyfill it for older runtimes. Grouping is finally one line. Number 5, Promise.allSettled. Promise.all rejects on the first error and throws away every other result. That's the right behavior for atomic operations, auth, transactions, anything where partial success is meaningless. But for a dashboard loading 3 independent API calls, you want all settled. It returns every result, success or fail, so you can render what you got and log the rest. 3 combinators, 3 jobs, all for fail fast, all settled for survive partial failures, any for first success wins. Number 6, AbortController. Stale fetches are how race conditions destroy your UI. Long requests hang forever. AbortController kills them cleanly. Create a controller, pass its signal to fetch, and you can cancel the request at any time. Need a timeout? Wire abort to a set timeout, or use abortSignal.timeout for a one-liner. Wire it to your React useEffect cleanup, and the entire class of zombie request bugs disappears. Number 7, immutable array methods sort and reverse mutate the original array. That's the silent bug at the bottom of half your React re-render issues. You sort the list, the state object reference doesn't change. React doesn't re-render. You ship the bug. The fix, use the immutable copies. To sorted, to reversed, to spliced, and with, all return brand new arrays, leaving the original untouched. Drop-in replacements, mutation bugs, deleted forever. Number 8, top-level await. That ugly immediately invoked async function wrapper at the top of your module, delete it. ES modules let you await at the top level. Load config, connect to a database, await an import. At the top of the file, no wrapper. Importers automatically wait until your module finishes loading. only works in true ES modules, type module in package.json or .mjs files. Worth it for the cleaner code alone. Number 9. Set and map. Stop abusing arrays and plain objects. Includes on a 10,000 element array is O of n. Every single check. A sets has is O of 1. Plain object keys are always coursed to strings, so the number 1 and the string 1 collide silently. Map lets you key by anything. Objects, numbers, dates, and preserves insertion order. Use a set when you need uniqueness or fast membership checks. Use a map when keys aren't strings. Write data structure, write speed. Number 10. Destructure like a pro. Most devs use the basic version. The pros chain, rename, defaults, nested patterns, and rest. All in one line that reads like a function contract. Rename with key colon new name. Default with equals value for missing keys. Nest destructuring inside destructuring with defaults at every level. Use the rest pattern to peel off keys you don't want, like password, into a safe object. One line, full extraction contract, nothing wasted. 10 patterns. Each one turns 5 lines of defensive code into 1 line of intent. The gap between a junior and a senior JavaScript developer isn't writing more code. It's knowing which one-liner already exists for the problem in front of you. Drop these into your next pull request and watch how much code disappears. If this leveled you up, follow for more dev tips that actually move the needle. Drop a comment with the word JS if you want a part 2 on async patterns, V8 performance tricks, and the JavaScript features nobody talks about. See you in the next one.